Today we visit the House of Mouse with a Banana Bogey from Garden Gallery at the Disney Inn, and the recipe comes from the 1987 Cooking with Mickey Around Our World. The Garden Gallery still exists today, but it's no longer located inside of the Disney Inn and instead is located at the Shades of Green. And you must be a member of the U.S. Armed Forces or family member to stay at this resort. Originally, this resort opened as a golf resort, then the Disney Inn, and now Shades of Green. So the golf connection here leads to the name Banana Bogey. There's no hiding this one. This is just pretty much a banana daiquiri, and I'm a fan of banana daiquiris. They're something I want to explore more of on this channel in the future. And this recipe calls for rock candy syrup and mentions that it can be purchased where bar supplies are sold. And as we all know by now, rock candy syrup is simply just a 2-to-1 ratio sugar to water or a rich, simple syrup. This recipe does not call for too much sugar, but if it did, and if you were wanting to limit the amount of sugar you consume but still want something that is sweet and delicious, then you might want to try today's sponsor, which is Magic Spoon. Magic Spoon cereal has 0 sugar per serving, and their treats have just 1 gram of sugar per bar. I've been grabbing these often to have before an episode, but right now I'm having a new flavor to me, which is a blueberry cereal. And this might be my new favorite, and I even added some fresh blueberries to this. Now, not only does it taste great, but they are high protein and have no artificial ingredients. All of the cereals I've had, I have thought are fantastic. And while you can enjoy these any time of day, I think they're great for a late night snack when you want something sweet, but don't want all the extra sugar that comes along with that. So if you're interested in Magic Spoon cereal or treats, use the code MakeDrink or click the link in the description to try Magic Spoon cereal or treats today to get $5 off. You can also find Magic Spoon on Amazon or at your nearest grocery store. And Magic Spoon is so confident in their product that it's backed with a 100% happiness guarantee online. So if you don't like it for any reason, they'll refund your money, no questions asked. So click the link in the description or go to magicspoon.com/makedrink or just scan the QR code that you see on the screen right now for $5 off. Today's cocktail is a blender cocktail and calls for crushed ice. And anytime you are blending cocktails, it is better to work with crushed or nugget ice. It'll help your blender make a more uniform slush without over diluting. While Mickey does not call to add xanthan gum, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon per drink, and this will help keep the drink emulsified and not separate and die on you immediately. It also helps me since I often need to get B-roll or take pictures of a drink. It just gives me a much needed extra couple of minutes. So let's make this. Into a blender, I'll add half of a banana, half an ounce of rock candy syrup or a 2-to-1 rich simple syrup, 1 ounce of a creme de banana or a banana liqueur, 2 ounces of a light rum, and a 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan. And if it gets stuck to your spoon there, just tap it in. Tap it in. And if using xanthan, we want to do a dry blend. That's a blend with no ice. Now we'll add that ice. I'm adding in 8 ounces, like a heaping 8 ounces or heaping 1 cup of nugget ice, and blend. For a garnish, I'll add in some banana chips. So there you go, the Banana Bogey from the Garden Gallery at the Disney Inn circa 1987. All right, let's try it. Cheers. There's not a lot there to not like. It comes across as boozy, lots of banana from the banana liqueur and the fresh banana. And there's not much else to this. It's banana with some rum and like a little bit of extra sugar. So it leans sweeter than maybe normally, but it's not too sweet. But it has a nice consistency and texture, not just from the xanthan gum, but mainly from that banana, adding just more texture and thickness to it. And you do get a ripe banana flavor, not really coming from the banana I use, but coming from that banana liqueur. So the banana liqueur you use, that's going to be the biggest determinator here in terms of like how much of a quality banana flavor you have. If you use something that's pretty low quality, it's not going to come out great. We're using a full ounce. Something high quality, it should turn out better. So I really love that banana daiquiris have kind of become maybe the most like famous flavored daiquiri. and we haven't really talked about them much here. I want to talk about them more in the future and showcase more recipes. I have a handful of newer banana liqueurs, so sometime soon I'm going to do an updated, taste test between all the banana liqueurs I have to find out which one I like best, and then also put those into daiquiris. So if you have a favorite banana daiquiri recipe, one you've seen online from your favorite bar, in your favorite book, let me know in the comments below. Leave a link. Links might not work. You could just tell me where you found it or tell me the recipe, because coming up, I want to do more banana daiquiris and showcase some of the historic ones and some of the new ones, some of the blended ones. And this is kind of the start to it. This is kind of the most basic one you can imagine from Disney or Disney World. And it is very good, but it is also very basic. If you're looking for banana chips, I found these recently. These are delicious. They're also sweetened, so there's extra sugar in them besides just the sweetness from the banana. Plantain chips are great if you can find those. They're usually a little bit bigger. These taste great. So if you're looking for a garnish that tastes great, I think these are delicious. But that's it. So let me know your favorite banana daiquiri recipes in this episode's description. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to this channel. And if you want to support this channel more, I have a Patreon page. Otherwise, see you on the next one.